Hi everyone, I'm back with another video in our care package series. This one themed, you are ridiculously, RED-iculously amazing. So in this care package, everything inside, food and non-food product, is all themed with the color red. All right, so let's unpack this. First, I've got these really cute inspirational red socks, a box of Skittles, a bag of Cheez-Its. My daughter is going to be really excited about these little Post-it note type things that I got for her Erin Condren planner that happen to be red. A box of peanut butter M&Ms in a red packaging, a container of Pringles. I have a couple different packages of Nutter Butter cookies and a bag of Cheetos. And then in the bottom, there's kind of a nice surprise because there's like a lip mask and a face mask. She'll be excited about both of those things. And then kind of tucked away in the very bottom here is we have a little container of chapstick that happened to be red. And so I thought I would grab that and throw that in as well. All right, now that the box is empty, let's take a look on the inside at the sayings. On the bottom, it says, you already make a difference. On the left, you're ridiculously kind. And on the right, we already miss you. And on the opposite two sides, it's just a pattern paper. You can get really any scrapbook paper that has red to it. It does have polka dots. I just cut this out of leftover paper that matched the paper that's on the opposite two sides of the inside of the box. Now, I do have a free printable of all of these sayings. So anywhere where you see the words, that's already measured out for this box. You can get that by clicking in the description over to my blog. I'm doing these regularly. We get together as a group every month. I'm actually doing a little bit more than that just on my own for my daughter. And anytime I do that, I'll link those up. And the box we're using is linked to my blog as well. So if you use my printable and you use this box, everything will just fit really nicely for you, and it'll make it easy for you to pull together this care package as well. If you like this video, please take a second to tap that like button. If you're interested in the care package series, or you do a lot of DIY, a lot of holiday decorating, that's the kind of stuff I have on my channel. So tap subscribe, tap the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post any new videos. Thanks.